Okay, I'm trying to point it out. If you wanna read this word, okay?
Okay. Ow.
This is Filipino.
Yeah. Ow.
Come
Ow.
on, come on.
Okay. Ate.
Very good.
Sa. Yo.
Very good.
Sayo. Ku. Ku. Ya.
Very good.
Ba.
No, no, no.
Bu. Ko. Bu. Ko.
Very good.
Ba. Ba. Ta.
Very good, Shikaina. That's it. Next one.
Di. 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 Da. Dida.
No, no, no. That's not the. It's a.
Ba.
Very good. Di.
Di. Ba.
Very good. Diba?
Di ba? Kalala ko ikaw.
You're using in the sentence. Dali. Next one.
Mata.
Oh, very good.
Ka. Ba.
Very good.
Lo. Bo.
Yeah.
Lobo.
Very good. Last one.
Lo. La. Lola. Dito naman.
Okay.
Ku. Sa. Ya. Saya.
Very good.
Bisaya. Bisaya yan, di ba?
Saya.
Hindi ko alam yung Bisaya.
Saya means happy.
Ah. Yay!
Mm.
Pape, pipo, pu. Pu. Sa.
Galing.
Ka.
This one.
I don't know this.
That's patinig. Very good.
So.
Yeah, you're right. You got it. The video is scary.
Lo. La. Lolo.
Yeah, you're right.
Wa.
No, 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 no.
Ya. Ya. Ya.
Very good.
Wa. La.
Very good.
Wala naman na.
The video is getting over.
Ba. Ba.